Hey everyone, excuse me. Hey everyone, this is Shirley. This is a nut jamming with yarn and another deliberate cooking. Gotta wash my hands. Hold on. Okay, first thing I want to tell you guys is that I am not being sponsored by Hello. I think this is Green Chef. Okay, let me cut the light on. Actually, my son purchased these. Neither one of us like grocery shopping. You guys already know that. And he doesn't eat quite right, and he tried to get as close to vegetarian as he said as possible. Well, we'll see. Well, this one here, I don't know, I didn't say welcome. I like to welcome my older wonderful subscribers, blah, 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 subscribers, and my new subscribers, and any passive buyers. Please come back and subscribe, hit the like, and leave me a comment. Okay, so this particular one here is this. I'm not being sponsored by them. Like I said, this is something that my son purchased, and it's so funny because you guys know I don't eat meat at all. And the funny thing about all that is that I just recently on my job had told the company that I work for a couple of companies, and I just told them that I was not going to work with anybody where I was going to be doing any cooking with meat. And so behold, Maya presents this to me, and as a gift, okay, because that's the way it came, as a gift, you know. So this is the Cajun shrimp. I'm feeling a little funny about fixing it. So we're going to see what's in this package here, okay? Again, I'm not being sponsored by them. And this is Cajun shrimp by Green Chef. Okay, and here's the shrimp in here. Okay, so we have the basic ingredients here, and this is what it should look like. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, I had to have a conscious decision here in my mind. So here is our vegetables, and there is the shrimp for my son to cook over there. Okay, so this is going to be completely vegetarian, my part, and he can cook his own shrimp. So let's get started. So what we have here is it says to put these walnuts in the pan until they get this certain brownish smelling thing going on. Okay, so we are going to add our string beans to this mixture for puppy. 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so we're at the halfway point with this. I put a little butter in there, and I added a little water since I'm not going to be having all that stuff on it. I think I might have some leftover rice in the refrigerator that I might add to mine. It's still not tender. I mean, I like crunchy beans, but I'm gonna have to see how that works out. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. There go our little squash and stuff. Put some butter on there. And now, at this point, and I did add a little bit of salt, you guys, and be very careful. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. The tomatoes. Oops. That's pretty. Cook for a minute. Guys, so I am back, and this is the end of it for me here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer all this into this pot here. The reason I didn't use this one because I didn't want it to stick. So I'm going to transfer all this into here. And the reason I'm doing this is because when my son comes and fixes shrimp, I don't want him to burn up this pot. I'm just going to put all that like that so he can use this one because I actually like my pots. I don't want them all burnt out. So I'm wondering, I'm going to look online because this is, who is this from? This is Green Chef to see if they have a vegetarian. I think it's just a way, because I've been telling him he needs to eat better. And he really do need to eat better. You can't just be going around eating all this garbage. And he didn't want to eat what I was fixing because there was a lot of tofu and this and that. So maybe this is his way of, I know this is his way of eating better and then getting me to cook it for him. So I'm going to put these walnuts in here like this. And I'm going to grab mine out. And then I'll let him fix his. I'm going to set this to the side. Yeah, whatever. Set that to the side. Grab mine's. Grab my little portion out here. I have, you know what, I have to warm the rice up. Hold on. Okay, so I got my rice out the microwave. This is leftover rice. What's a lot? Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's scoop back just a little bit. Oops. Hold on, guys. I don't know what I did. Okay, get my scoop. Okay, then I'm going to take some of the vegetables. You guys know I don't like tomatoes, but some of the tomatoes. I know he's not going to eat those. He might. Yeah. So I'm going to take that for mine. I don't have any of the sauce on here because it's Dijon avocado mayo sauce. So I don't have that. Hold on, sorry for the noise. I don't have that. And I didn't know to pull out the avocado, which I could. So what I'm going to do is sit that. I'm going to sit this. This is how you, I hope, how you make it work when you have a meat eater and a non-meat eater. A little extra, so I'm going to take this and set it to the side over here. Then what I'll do is let him. Ooh, I think I'm going to have to buy two kind of pots. One for him and one for me. Okay, so then I will let him fix his stuff. But let's see how this tastes. And you know what also is that I like my milk. And I have this little thing. I worked it one day. And I love these allspice with warm milk. Not boiled in the microwave, but warm. So I'm going to try to figure out how to work that out. Anybody know how that thing works? Let me know. I know it's for coffee. But I just warm my milk up. I did it a month ago, but I need to write it down so I remember. Okay, I have no real seasoning on here. Let's see, it's vegetables. Presentation, beautiful. Tastes like vegetables. What can I say? Tastes like rice. Everything is good. I didn't put any seasoning on that. So, excuse me. This is how it should look. This is the vegetarian version of it. Of the prasada. Thank you guys for being with me. Take care of yourself. And if you can do something for somebody else, please do that. Eat as good, as healthy as you can. No matter what the price is, because everything is high right now. So just try to get you something fresh into your diet. Bye-bye.